Paramount Plus is rolling out its own linear channels feature that'll serve up linear movies and TV with a similar feel to traditional cable TV. The new live channels feature launched on Paramount Plus today with more than a dozen curated 24/7 playlists for genres like crime and drama, as well as adult animation and kids programming. Some channels are dedicated entirely to a specific franchise, such as SpongeBob, Survivor, and Star Trek. The addition of live channels also allows Paramount Plus to more directly compete with streaming services that have similar live and linear integrations, including Peacock. Paramount Plus previously supported a live TV hub for sports breaking news and programming from Entertainment Tonight. Premium users can pay extra for coverage from their local CBS station. The linear programming hub was informed by Viacom CBS-owned free TV service Pluto TV. Tom Ryan, president and CEO of Viacom CBS Streaming, said in a statement, "Even in the era of on-demand, there is clearly a strong consumer appetite for reimagined linear channels that provide effortless, lean-back entertainment." Ryan said, "Paramount Plus will continue to roll out additional channels," the company said, including a RuPaul's Drag Race channel and a dedicated movies channel, both of which will land on the service later this month. The full list of supported channels is as follows. For Paramount Plus: 24/7 Laughs, a destination for feel-good, laugh-out-loud content from popular series such as Hot in Cleveland, Reno 911 and Tosh O. Adult animation, genre-defining series such as Beavis and Butthead, Celebrity Deathmatch and Daria. All-day drama, the best in drama, including everything from Evil and the Twilight Zone to Touched by an Angel and The Guardian. Animation favorites, beloved kids animated series, such as Avatar, The Last Airbender, Rugrats, SpongeBob SquarePants and The Fairly OddParents. Black Voices, a celebration of black voices and stories with a collection of popular series such as Chappelle's Show, Key, Crime, History, SECRETSUNLOCKED. Kids, Nostalgic Hits, a playlist featuring episodes from iconic series, including Beverly Hills 90210, Cheers, Frasier, Sabrina the Teenage Witch and Wings. Paw Patrol, home to all things Paw Patrol, including Paw Patrol, Live at Home, Paw Patrol, the movie and, of course, the original series that started it all. Preschool Corner, parent-approved programming for pint-sized viewers such as Blue's Clues, Bubble Guppies, Dora the Explorer, Paw Patrol and Peppa Pig. Reality TV, Competition, a collection of reality TV's most popular series, including Ink Mastered, RuPaul's Drag Race and Survivor. Reality TV, Shores, hours of content from the fist-pumping franchise, including episodes from Jersey Shore, Family Vacation and Floribama. SpongeBob Universe, home to all things Bikini Bottom. The channel will feature episodes from SpongeBob SquarePants and Camp Coral, SpongeBob's Under Years, as well as popular SpongeBob movies. Star Trek, a destination for Star Trek fans featuring popular originals such as Star Trek Discovery and Star Trek Picard, plus iconic series such as Star Trek Enterprise and Star Trek The Next Generation. Survivor, featuring 40 seasons of the long-running reality series. The Challenge, the best moments from the hit reality series, including The Challenge and The Challenge All-Stars. TV Classics, a curated selection of timeless series such as I Love Lucy, The Love Boat and The Twilight Zone.